Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 138 Laravel 11 get product from shopping cart into forest loop, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is available real estate underscore lara underscore 11. This is the database name. Inside this is a list of table available. Let's click this product cart table. This is a table is a open, successfully working fine. This table open. Inside this is a 3 product is a available, and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project directory inside means command prompt open means cmd open this project directory inside. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server working fine. Please wait, this is working fine. Let's copy this URL and hit this browser. Successfully working good, and route inside this web.php open route, and this is a web.php available open, and this is a URL is already created. This is a product cart. Let's same here copy and slash and paste here. Successfully this is a available. This is the data is a static data. Let's same here open. This is open this same here product cart controller. Inside this is the index function is available. Product cart inside this index function is already created. Let's product cart controller open. This is a controller already created and implementation app http product cart controller, and this is the index function is inside this is available. This is a index function. This same here this function is index function is available. Good working. Let's return view available. This is a resource view inside this product cart. This is a product cart, and this is a product. This is a products file is available, successfully available, and this is a 3 1 2 and 3 available, and this is inside this 3 is available. Let's remove this is only 2 is a remove and single is a show. Save file and refresh this page, and successfully only 1 is available, and this is a forest loop is implementation. This is a 3 record is available, and this is the dynamic is set. Let's first of all this is a table is available. This table name is a product cart. This is a product cart. Let's this is model inside this is available product cart. This is the table is already included. Same here copy this, and inside this is already included. This is included. This is a table is already included inside. Let's same here inside this is a forest loop is inside this is a paste here. This is a table name is same name copy and paste here, and this is a get record. Let's is a get means all. Let's otherwise all. This is a function is a working fine. Let's $product, and this is a record is a get. Let's same here copy, and inside this compound compact, and this is a paste here. Successfully this is a page is a compact is a working fine. Let's same here copy. This is the same name is a copy, and this product is a open. This product blade PSP file open. Inside this forest loop is a implementation. Let's add the forest, and this is a dollar and paste here is $product same name. This is a forest, and same here copy, and inside this is a paste end paste here. Let's save file, and this is a record is a get. This is only 3 record, and this is a 3 record is a show. Same record is a 3 is a show. Good working. This is a static data is available. This is not a dynamic. This is a static data. Let's implementation. This is a dynamic image, and this is a image is available. This image name is this folder public folder. Inside this is a product. This is the image is available. This image is a dynamic implementation. This is a path yes r and 1. This is available. This is not used. this not use, and this is a not use. This is a 3 images are available, same name is a 3 images are available. This is a K. This is a all good. This is a rename is a copy, and inside this is a, and this is a paste here. Successfully set. This is a my mistake, and slash is a set. This is a good. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 3 images. This is only static image, and this is a image is available. This same name is available inside. Let's implementation. This is a show dynamic, and this is a product wise public and product folder. Inside this is a upload date. Let's remove. This is a remove static image is a remove dot is available. Same name is a copy and paste here. This is a paste here. This name is available. Open, copy. This name is a image. Copy and paste here. Save file. Let's refresh this page. 3 images different is a show. Good working. This is a fine. Image is a successfully set. Next is a name is a set and description is a set. This is a image is a dynamic implementation. Let's same is a remove, and this is a same copy dollar and paste here, and this second is available. Name is this name. This name is a copy and paste here. Last is a description is a set. This is a description is a set. This same here copy and paste, and this is a last is a description. This is a price. All goods, image, name, description and price. This is a dynamic is a set. Good working. This is a fine. This is MI. This is all description, and this is a price. This is all Motorola, very good company, and this is a price. This is all dynamic. This is MI. This is a name, and this 78 is a price. Good working. This Motorola, and this very good company, and this very good, and this price is 25. This is a record is a get. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. I am available 24/7. Anytime contact WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. Please press this bell icon. This my channel, YouTube channel, and this is a follow this all Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, social media link. Let's same here copy. This URL is a copy and paste here /admin login. /admin login. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is a 123456789, and click this login. And not now. Let's click this product, and this is a 3 is a available. Let's fourth is a record is a implement. Fourth record. This is a 3 database is available. Fourth is a Apple mobile is a Apple. Let's image select. This is the image is a select. This image is a select. This is a image select, and this is a 80, otherwise 89, and submit. And this is a new record is a created. Good working. This is a last record is a created, and refresh this page successfully. This is a 4 record is available. This is the last is the create 89. This is the all implementation. Let's refresh this page successfully inside this show. Good working. This is a 4 record is working fine. This is a all dynamic, and this is a 4 images a show. This is a public path. First of all, this is a model is a created, and this is already included top bar, and please write down. This is a all step by step. Good working. Next is a add to cart. This is a click this add to cart. Inside this is a show step by step. This is a next video. This video is a done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.